Welcome back to the channel. For Starbucks copycat recipes you'll love. While there's nothing wrong with the occasional treat from Starbucks, they aren't as nutritious as you may think. That's why I wanted to share a few remixes you can make at home that contain higher quality, minimal ingredients. Plus, this way you can save some money and enjoy them more regularly. I even included a remix recipe for the popular and discontinued violet drink, so now you can have it whenever you want. Number 1. Mango Dragon Fruit Refresher. With this you will need 8 to 10 ounces green tea cooled, 1/4 cup frozen mango, 1/4 cup dragon fruit, juice of 1 lime, and stevia to taste. Number 2. Iced pineapple matcha. All you need is 1/2 cup pineapple, 8 to 10 ounces brewed matcha cooled, 1/8 cup coconut milk, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, and stevia to taste. Number 3. Honey almond milk. You will need 8 to 10 ounces brewed coffee cooled, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon raw honey, and stevia to taste. Before to continue, if you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to help the channel. And number 4, the violet drink. All you need is 8 to 10 ounces hibiscus tea cooled, 1/8 cup coconut milk, 1/2 cup blackberries, juice of 1 lemon, and stevia to taste. Now all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth, except blackberries if making the violet drink. Pour into a large glass filled with ice. Add blackberries if making the violet drink. And enjoy! That's all. Thanks for watching. Share the video with your friends and family to try these delicious recipes. And see you in the next video.